Introducing the Portable Laptop Stand by Desk York. It's a unique and functional gift for your friends and family members. The lightweight folding design allows you to carry your ergonomic laptop stand anywhere you go, keeping your living and working space neat and organized. Whether you want to relax in bed, sit comfortably on your chair, watch your favorite show while cooking in your kitchen, or get some office work done, this adjustable and versatile laptop stand is for you. The Desk York laptop stand has auto-locking joints and can be rotated 360 degrees, so you can adjust the legs freely for the most comfortable position. You can easily connect a USB cord to your computer to power the quiet cooling fans. Our versatile laptop stand is easy to set up, and you can use it virtually anywhere, as a writing desk, a tablet holder, a snack tray, or a book stand. An adjustable mouse pad is included for your convenience and can be easily attached to the laptop stand. Our product is made with durable materials, like anti-oxidized aluminum alloy bracket, to ensure that your laptop stand will work for you for a long time. Experience the latest innovation in home and office comfort with Desk York. It's everything that you need in a portable and adjustable laptop stand.
Hi, this is John from Desk York, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Desk York portable laptop table. In today's dynamic marketplace, not only can inspiration strike at any moment, but our work demands that we are ready to jump into the hot seat at a moment's notice. The problem is, however, being able to without your laptop and get to work absolutely anywhere in the world can be a bit of a hassle. That's why Desk York has engineered and refined the best way to be ready to set up and work right when you need to with a portable laptop table. This ergonomic table comes ready to go in the box with no assembly required. The adjustable legs folds up and lock into place, and the desk is only 3.7 pounds, so you can carry it easily without any trouble. Need to go to a different office but don't have a setup waiting when you arrive? The portable laptop table has everything built in it, from quiet USB-powered cooling fans to keep your laptop from overheating to a detachable mousepad perfect for left or right-hand users. This durable desk will support your laptop and help you work at an angle that is conducive to typing for extended periods of time, reducing back and shoulder stress. Best of all, at the end of the day, take the portable laptop table home and use it as a dinner table, book tray, or platform for whatever you need. At a really affordable price, this is one versatile piece of equipment that will serve you anywhere you go. Get your Desk York table today and make your life so much easier.
The Executive Office Solutions laptop stand offers total flexibility to allow you to use your laptop comfortably anywhere. The durable all-aluminum stand contains a mouse pad and a thick aluminum tray with a front lip that holds your laptop in place. The mouse tray rotates toward you at any angle, all while keeping the mouse platform flat. The easy-to-use legs are fully adjustable from 0 to 19 inches. Also included are dual USB-powered cooling fans that will keep your computer cool and the heat off of your lap. The stand is so easy to use. You can even use it while enjoying the outdoors, sitting on your couch, or relaxing in your bed. You can even raise it up to use it as a standing desk or laptop riser to keep your screen eye level, all while relieving back and neck tension. And now we also include rubber adhesive feet that can be applied to the bottom legs, so the stand will not slide on hard surfaces. The Executive Office Solutions laptop stand offers comfort and flexibility all in one simple to use.